I thought of having a look at what has changed in my voltage stabilizer after it had been brought back after repair. This is the large toroidal transformer which is still there. There is no obvious change for that. And then almost all the other circuits within have been changed. You can see that a new transformer has come in and a new board with a lot of interesting components for an electronics hobbyist. This one is a relay, high voltage relay. You can see a lot of electrolytic capacitors here. Then the most interesting part is this one. This is an integrated circuit. It is a voltage comparator IC. Voltage comparator IC. That is, you can see the name somewhere. It is LM324N voltage comparator IC. This being a voltage stabilizer, you can immediately realize the importance of a voltage comparator IC. I was quite interested in this component over here. It is a BD139 transistor. I have sweet memories about BD139 transistor because that is the transistor which was used in the output final stage RF output of my VU2VWN QRP, which I had homebrewed long back, nearly 4 decades back. And I used to work a lot of contacts on CW and AM, mainly local stations, with the BD139 final in my VU2VWN QRP. There are people using VU2VWN QRP even now, so all of you will have nostalgic memories of BD139.